guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Tato and welcome to the fam. Please click the subscribe button and join the family and hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Now in this tutorial, as you can see by my gorgeous face and the title, I will be doing this purple eyeshadow, purple halo eye tutorial. Yes, isn't it just gorgeous? Keep watching. I'm going to be using the Zulu, which is an eyeshadow palette from Juvias Place, and I'm just going to get right into the video. I have already primed my eyelids. I'm taking shade number 3 right there, the brown shade, and a little bit of it, and I am applying it into the crease and using this as a transition. So I'm using this palette for the very first time. I recently ordered Juvias Place because I've been from watching other YouTubers internationally, I've seen that Juvias Place palettes are really good. Like, I love the pigments, so I decided to order myself some. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on ordering makeup internationally in the comment section. Right, so that brown is nice and warm enough. I don't want to do a lot for today's look. It's more, I'm keeping it on the simple side. So yeah, I just took once with a brush a little bit and look at what it did. So already we can see evidence of the pigments. You can see. I'm going to dip into shade number 9, that purple over there. And ooh, the pigment, guys. The pigment is off the charts. Start there at the back of the eyelid, but I'm going to take it basically all over the entire eyelid, and I'm bringing it in circular motions, almost bringing it into the crease as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I literally took with the brush once. I tapped into the eyeshadow, and well, a couple of times, once, twice or 3 times, but it was literally just like this. I swiped. I'm not swiping right now, but I'm just showing you. I'm swiping on it, and I went there on my eyelid once. This is after the first application, and it already looks like this. So obviously I didn't take a lot, but I just wanted you guys to follow the process. That's why I didn't take a lot, because from the videos that I've been watching, I've seen that they actually have quite good pigments. I actually didn't swatch the palettes, which is maybe what I should have done, just to check for myself the pigmentation. But just to play it on the safe side, I've been tapping a little bit and going there with it on my eyelid. I'd rather be safe than have a lot of it and a lot of blending to do. I'm going to go in for the second time, and now go back into the eyelid to intensify it. Now I'm going to go into shade number 7 right there, and because I want to intensify it, I'm going to spray some water on my brush. So I just sprayed setting spray on my brush, and I'm going to tap into that shade, swipe, and use it right there in the middle of, place it right there. So we're creating a little halo eye. Just like that, simple. Keeping it simple, guys. If you wanted to know how to create a halo eye in a simple way, now you know. Spray water or setting spray on your brush, just spritz a little bit, and tap into your shimmery shade. Usually a halo eye looks nicer with a shimmery shade. Tap into your shimmery shade and bam, there you go. Place it there. Perfect. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation that I reviewed in my previous video because I liked it.
charge my energy.
In my previous video, I reviewed this foundation, so if you haven't seen the review, check out my previous video. I will link it in the description box. So in the previous video, I mixed this shade with the darker one, which resulted in it being more red. So I'm using it on its own in this video, and you guys will see the finish. The shade is Cocoa, so that's my shade. So if you are my skin tone, it means that this is your shade. Moving on to highlighting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 35. I'm applying it on the normal areas that I usually highlight. Apply my concealer.
Charge my energy, I no get time for no enemy. Tori pe pole to me. Nothing with person never see. I'm on nothing with person never see. Forget it, I say fashi. Money soon expected. Check out what body I jump.
I'm using the Yardley loose powder in the shade Translucent Bear to set my face. Going in with my sponge and just placing a little bit right there. I want to use just a little because it is winter. I'm not feeling like drying myself up, so I just want to set to make sure that it doesn't crease. Generous enough amount on my nose. To contour, I'm using the Essence Compact Mattifying Powder in the shade, Expresso. Then with a smaller brush, I contour my nose. Reverse contour. Okay, it's now time for blush. I'm using the Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Peach Me Up. I'm using Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder in the shade Blossom Glow. Perfect for this eye look. Perfect. Now I'm just going to dust off my face with whatever rest of powder is left there, so we do not dry out. Right, and for my nose, I'm going to go with a finger and place it right there on the tip. Whew. And on the bridge. I'm going to be using Eyelash Fatigue lashes, these Dolce 5, and I'm just going to apply glue on them first, so that while I wait for the glue to dry up, I apply my mascara. For mascara, I'm using the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara, and today I'm going to be applying it on my bottoms first.
Charge my energy, I no get time for no enemy. see. I'm on nothing with person never see. Forget it, I say fashi. Money soon expected. Take our body, I jump. I take her to the person.
Guys, I told you though, this mascara does not play. I'm loving these lashes. Okay, so I'm finishing up this look with this combo. It is, the lip liner is Essence Draw the Line Instant Color Lip Liner in the shade Rich Mahogany, and the Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dusty Romance.
When no one does anybody, when no the body body, I can't something, I can't something.
I chose something more neutral because the eye was already popping. Yes, so yeah, the eye was lit and I thought I should just come it out with a matte natural nude lip. Yes guys, and yeah, this is the end of the video. Let me know how you feel about this makeup look. Would you rock it? Where would you be going? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, and remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and join the fam. Hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next video.